Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Claude AI without using a phone number. A lot of people want to access Claude quickly without dealing with SMS verification, and the good news is that in some cases you can create an account using just your Google account or email address. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the different methods step by step so you can get started with Claude AI as easily as possible. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the official Claude AI website by claude.ai. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started or Sign In button and click on it. You'll now see different login and sign up options. The easiest method is usually continuing with Google. Go ahead and click Continue with Google. A window will appear showing your available Google accounts. Choose the account you want to use and follow the prompts on the screen. Sometimes Claude AI may ask for permissions to connect with your Google account. If that happens, simply review the permissions and click Continue or Allow. In many cases, using Google Sign-In allows you to create an account without manually entering a phone number. Now, if your Google account doesn't appear automatically, click Add Another Account. Then, sign in using your Google email and password as normal. After signing in, Claude may take a few moments to set up your account. If everything goes smoothly, you'll be taken directly into the Claude AI dashboard. Now, let's look at another method using your email address instead. Back on the sign-up page, choose the Email Sign-up option. Enter your email address carefully and submit it. Claude AI will send a verification link or confirmation email to your inbox. Open your email account and look for the message from Claude AI. Once you find it, click the verification link inside the email. If you don't see the email immediately, check your spam, junk, or promotions folder because verification emails sometimes end up there. After clicking the verification link, your account should be confirmed automatically. You may then be asked to complete a few setup steps, like accepting the terms of service, entering your name, or adding basic profile details. Once those steps are complete, you'll officially have access to Claude AI. Now, here's something important to keep in mind. Depending on your region, account activity, or security checks, Claude AI may still request a phone number later for verification purposes. So, while these methods can sometimes avoid phone verification initially, requirements may vary based on the account and location. Also, make sure you're always using the official Claude AI website to avoid fake sign-up pages or scams. And one quick tip before we finish, if sign-up isn't working in your current browser, try using incognito mode or a different browser entirely, because cached data or extensions can occasionally interfere with the process. And that's it. You now know how to sign up for Claude AI without using a phone number, using either Google Sign-In or email verification. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like because it really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials, tech guides, and easy step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.